Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, happy Monday. Hope you had a nice weekend. I did. What we have here is a 27-inch embossed Dad's root beer sign in fantastic shape. Again, this is part of the San Jose collection. You can take a look at it. For those of you who are getting the lesson on signs, embossed means you see how the letters are sticking up like that. They're punched out in a press. That means there are embossed sign. Always more desirable because it's got the 3D look. This has got great colors. Dad's Root Beer is a great brand. So if you are in the markets, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the